To be fair, it's because Perry's going crazy, and I was hoping he would have stopped barking by now, which he's not. I wanted to try something today. Seeing as we have a little bit of time, I have done a little bit of a top to bottom analysis, so I do indeed have a little bit of time. Let's have a quick look-see. What on earth is on my hand? Anyways, I will have to sort that out now. Okay. So, quick top to bottom analysis. What have we got? If we look at the daily, I'm so sorry, that's Perry. He's going to be making...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning! What's up, Solly? How you doing? Oh, that's the big peep. How dare I assume otherwise? Right? My bad. How dare I? That's on me. I should know better by now. He said it first. I mean, that's fair. What about my good morning? Hi, Solly. How are you? Hope you're good. How's the trading been? Okay.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Thank you. I know he's actually the star of this channel, but you know, sometimes it's nice to be acknowledged as the spare human. Okay. Mika, what happened? No. Did you get a doctor's note like Geordie? He's not here to defend himself, so but that's okay. He's being the bestest boy and he's protecting. Good big boy protect, but oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All you hear is the woof 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 woof. Yeah, I love you. Godhouse, what's up? How you doing? All the hospital they must have picked something up there for all your guys' fault. I'm so sorry. Hey Jose, well, theoretically I'm ready for the week. Didn't take any trades yesterday. I see if I had taken the trade yesterday, I would have still been in it. Oh wait. Trying to show you something that's on the button. Never mind. I will show you that later. Okay, sorry. Let's quickly check out. So we have got daily. Let's do 4 hour. Okay, we're good. We're good. He scared them all away. He scared everyone away because he's big scary boy. Hey Perry, okay. He's trying to prove that he is indeed big scary boy. Glad. Oh my gosh, Solly, so it's not just me? Hi Perry. Life has been so rough this week. I'm so glad it's not just me. Brandon, what's up? How you doing? Captain Crunch! No, I did not. Big scary boy. Yeah, Perry, big scary. Look at him. Look at him. Come show them how big and scary you are. Come be big and scary. Come be big and scary. Okay, never mind. Hopefully today is go for you on the markets. Lisa, I hope so. Would be nice. Look at this. This is a big boy. Yeah. Are you a big boy? Perry, are you a big boy? He's only looking at the sweets. He doesn't care about me. I should probably... Okay, wait, let's pay attention. Yeah. I mean, literally, his head is bigger than my head. So let me pause. Let me pause. Oh, you can't really see. You can see. His paw is basically the size, a little bit bigger than the palm of my hand. Good boy. Anyways, now that the main character has presented himself, can we get back to the chart? Oh my gosh, I nearly ran over his foot. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We both know that well, we all know he's only he's a size 6. 1 hour. Size 6 book. Whiff. Okay, anything interesting? No? Okay, I have a little bit of a bullish sentiment, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if it continues in that hour. It's okay. 15 minutes. Solly, what's been happening? Why has life been kicking you? Get it back up towards there. This was quite a goodie. Interesting. 5 minutes. Just doing top to bottom analysis quickly. I'm gonna look at the runaway train that was yesterday, honestly. Relative equal highs on the 5 minute. And they're basically relative equal highs. 25100, pretty decent. Okie dokie. Back to the 1. Let's unhide everything. Let's mark everything out. First things first, we are stuck. Well, not stuck, but we are in the new daily opening gap. Let's shoot. Okay. Ooh. Asia low is also relative equal lows again. This is not the first time it has done this. So, Asia low. I will respond to you guys momentarily. Do I trade on 1 hour? No. I trade on the 1 minute. Trading View Live. How you doing? Hey Dom, what's up? Was that the seller from Nvidia? It's because of Nvidia, but it wasn't the Nvidia news. Hey Chick, how you doing? And Lord PUBG, what's up? No, this is not gold. These are the Nasdaq futures. How goes it? How goes it? As well as relative equal lows. Okay. Hello, thanks for booping me. Appreciate it. New York low. I'm gonna keep that up. Can I help you? Just came and booped me on the arm. Good boy. Okay, bye. Yes, the drop is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay, New York high. Oh my word. Anyways, that's yesterday's midnight. Maybe this is a dumb question. Is that midnight zone still valid once the day has passed, or not really? Like, I've been deleting them and then moving on to the new midnight zone. But I actually don't know if I should be. If I should be leaving them up. Are they still pretty magnetic levels? I can see the Wi-Fi is going to be a pain in the butt again today. It's because it is actually raining here. Thank heavens. That's all I'm going to say. Just thank heavens it's actually raining here. It's actually cooler. For once, I'm super, super happy. Oh, it's been hot as heck. So to have a little bit of a break from the weather is quite nice. Sorry, that's just my little 2 cents worth today. Oh, look at this little itty bitty volume imbalance. That is the new daily opening gap. Whee! 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 Okay, here's the new daily opening gap. Awesome sauce. Top to bottom analysis done. Okay, new daily opening gaps down there, right by end. This is going to be very interesting. Okay, let's see what happens. Andrew, what a crash yesterday. No, 100%, Andrew. What the heck, man? I checked it this morning. Okay, there's been bigger crashes. The other crash the other day was 800 and something points. This one was 500. I mean, still 500 and I think it was 560 point drop is insane. Trade Delicious, what's up? How you been? I got extremely lucky, made 2k on a put position. Damn, Andrew, that's flipping nice. Yay, Trading View Live, thank you. Zone NWOG is good to look for a long, complete dump. How you doing? Very nice today. We have some room to go to the downside, but recovery today is more likely. I agree with the recovery today. Let's maybe see what New York brings. I definitely agree with recovery during London session. Let's see, maybe New York it's gonna go back down. It is Friday. Friday can lead to anything and everything. First time here. Am I everyday trading Nasdaq? Hey, Joel, I am. Yep, every day. Both London and New York session, I'm here trading Nasdaq future MNQ to be more specific, just in case you were wondering. Okay, 3 a.m. open. Looks like so. Don't love that much. Let's see if we get a decent push up still. I'm gonna be better with today. It's been a tough week, but we've got this. $84 viewers and 6 likes. Wow, you're being slack on that like button. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You guys do what you gotta do. If you touch down man at the zone, I put a buy stop. We're kind of in a weird middle zone right now. I'm leaning bearish, but not staying a reversal to the upside ain't possible. Andrew, I think London might be the retest of that huge dump that happened yesterday, and then let's see. But then I do agree with you. I think bears are still in play, but I think it has to go and mitigate some of the imbalances that yesterday caused. That's at least what I'm thinking. To be determined, right? To be determined. It's all just kind of speculation until we see what happens. Trade what you see. It used to be like this all next week as well. Brand, I just hope it's not raining tomorrow, because tomorrow I have a horse show, so oh my gosh. Am I profitable trading London session NQ? Captain Crunch, I'm not gonna lie, I've actually, not always. Again, you know, day dependent, and this week has kind of been a bit of a chop fest, but when the markets are moving more, just more, I actually sometimes prefer trading London, not gonna lie. Like, the trades sometimes take longer, but they are, I guess, the less volatile, but they still work really well. Sorry for my head. I'm a mess, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. Maybe not trading London session, just trading New York session. Like I said, I actually kind of prefer London session. Next, pull back down and go long. Let's see. Hey, Lord PUBG. Yes, every day I live stream. I would take the NF versus target. Daily feels to provide some sort of... Kill Pop, are you a swing trader or a day trader? B-grade, did I lose 400? No. Well, definitely not pounds. Check you're not trading London today. I'm gonna see. New York Open might be brutal. I'm in cash now, worried about the hiring. Possibly could be a wrench we didn't see coming. Ooh. Andrew, you seem very knowledgeable. How long have you been trading for? You seem cool. Welcome, by the way. What pair are we looking at? Hey, the Mullen David. I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. New York is when the real moves happen. Again, trader dependent. I'm not disagreeing, but sometimes I actually, again, day dependent. Some days, London is amazing. Some days London is amazing, and then other days New York is the way to go. But especially for my retest, sometimes London just runs away without me, and then I actually don't even get an entry. Other days, yeah, not so much. Awesome. I hope I will take stock things. Big 7 took a hit, so I can advise will buy them back at key levels. Nvidia should stay above. Hey Tyler, what's up? How you doing? So Nvidia should stay above 170. What's it at right now? Check. Jay Short, where is the entry? I'm not in a trade right now. Please show us the 30-day retracement. So you just want to see the monthly. What? You want to see the monthly chart? Hey Trong, how you doing? 180. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Up 10k on the month swing trading options. Rational and unpredictable at times. Yeah, I mean, Andrew, I think that's the thing. Losing is part of trading, right? Taking losses is part of this. I don't like calling it a game, but I mean, we could call it a game. Journey, that's better. Let's not call it a game. Losing is part of the journey, especially if you're still new. How long have you been trading for, Andrew? So Dom is in a long. Living the dream, you made soup for your mother. Nice. What type of soup? I think that's the real question. What type of soup was it? Yeah, we're on the Nasdaq. Yeah, we're on the Nasdaq. I don't know why I said that like there was going to be more to that sentence. Ooh, it could come just take out these lows and then continuation back up. It's been respecting this volume imbalance. Well, it respected that volume imbalance there and the shelf. Let's see. Whoa. I thought bulls were in play. Maybe not. Top Step new. I'm using Top 1 futures currently. Oh, speaking of, I forgot. That is one thing I forgot. But,
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
if anyone wants to show some support, y'all are more than welcome to. There's my affiliate code. You can check out all the affiliate codes are in the description. Affiliate codes, affiliate links are in the description. Top ones are definitely Violinox, Tradeify, and well, Top 1 futures that I'm currently trading right now. But Violinox is also having some awesome specials at the moment. 75% off. Pretty damn good if you ask me. And I mean, Tradeify, oh, have their sale going until tomorrow. Okay, Tradeify's special sale discount, whatever you want to call it, ends tomorrow. Just FYI. So if you guys want to get on that, you can use my code TEACHMAYA, all caps, no gaps, to receive that discount. That's it. That's my spiel done. Sorry. Back into Bob level. Back into the middle of the new weekly opening gap. Let's see how it responds here. Really struggled to break above, then came back in. Okay, it looks like the sellers are kind of still in play. I was not expecting that. I really thought bulls would be in control. Let's see. Solly, OMG, what? Hey, Muddy, what's up? This is a nice pullback now. Wait, what was it? It was corn chowder with a few garlic cheddar biscuits. I've never actually had corn chowder, so I am yeah, sure. Well, I'll go with yes, because I trust you, Tyler. Just took a bunch of sell-side liquidity. Must not let my bias stick with me, so a little bit of a change of character here. Let's wait for breaker structure and then continuation. Don't be in a rush if it's going to be messing around in the middle. Let's wait for continuation here. Let's check the 5-minute. Oh, I nearly choked on my coffee. Seeing that on the 5-minute, that is not okay. Wow. What is that? That's barcoding with a bunch of wicks. Cool. Cool. Also, Solly, what did you OMG? Check, I look at the bigger picture first. What's my time frame? I'm on the 1 minute. What platform is this? And how can we copy it? Do not copy my trades. Maybe let's start with that, because this is not financial advice and I'm still new to trading. Anyways, if you want to learn how to trade, this is the place to be. 100%. If you want to come and copy trades, maybe not. But I'm on TradingView to answer that question. Corn chowder, oh, sounds like hamster food. It kind of does. I will say the futures trading you're doing is a lot less chaotic than my options swings. I like it. Andrew? Heck yeah. I can do with less chaos in my life. So if I am less chaotic, I'm gonna be happy. Am I gonna be grumpy that I didn't take this? Let's see. Like I said, on the 5 minute, this is just going sideways. Still, this could come up and wick. Let's see, tapped into the 3 AM opening price again. Midnight should be a little bit more of a magnet. Only thing with this price action is clearly the bulls are wanting to come into play. But that being said, let's see where this heads. J shorts, can we sell now? Maybe. I'm gonna long at 143, probably stop us at around 0. I think the bears might take control for a little before the bulls want to take control. Okay, Tyler, that does kind of sound yummy. Not gonna lie. Crazy a corgi! What's up? How you doing? I scared my dog by saying your name too loud. I'm so sorry. Good idea to copy someone else's. So many people are profitable. Exactly. Check. Crazy off. Short? What is wrong with me? Why do I never listen to myself? Okay. Well, that was a good confirmation. Now, next one that I'm happy with, I'm taking. Regardless of what happens. Let's do this. And see if another one comes. Again, this price action is slow. I can't actually be upset with the fact that this price is just annoying. I am using TradingView. You are very knowledgeable for a new trader. Definitely know your stuff. I'm probably going to try and learn how to do the futures game here soon. Made a few nice plays on silver futures. Ooh, nice. Yo, listen, MNQ is just a little bit more forgiving. I've heard futures is not for beginners. I mean, not futures, silver. English nailed it. Anyways, silver is not for beginners at all. Okay. Now we've got the confirmation. Should be good to go. That's a really nice point of interest. Oh, I missed the ride. That's also very possible. Further down back into here. This is a good point of interest. Let's see. Bears won this one. Okay. Here's one that. Back down to here is good. Actually, down to that volume imbalance is pretty solid. Yep. Ran away without me. See how it reacts at this fair value gap. Coming into that shove. Okay. Okay. Did you say chaos is a ladder? I mean, interesting theory. Chaos is a ladder. In there, tapped in there. Try not to catch a falling knife. But down to the new daily opening gap is pretty solid if you do ask me. Did tap into there. Oh, maybe it tapped too much into there, but 1, 2, 3. Take the 5-minute. Okay, they're in the middle of that fair value gap. Did tap into there. Hey, what's up, LP? Hey, genius, what's up? So I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Let's see, there was a decent rejection off. There's a volume imbalance just below. Come on, as well as midnight range and new daily opening gap. If it retests nicely, we're good to go. Shout out to LP for the dono, by the way. I'm actually worried about him. Well, let's see. Either way, I took it now. That's all that matters. Might come and take me out, but it is what it is. That'll be around my entry-ish type of range. I'm gonna tap in and go back down. It did tap into the fair value gap, so if it does hit my stop loss, I know where I went wrong, so that's fine, but at least I took it and stopped overthinking so much. Boss, you are so funny. Clearly you are new here. Clearly you are new here. That's all I'm gonna say. Maybe before you mean you should ask questions. Moving on. First present fair value gap at 253. When price touched that, we should have entered for a short. I'm not mad. What did I miss? Student this will stream from class. What time do I normally go live? Genius, where you at? Using fair value gap. Hey, Will. Yeah, basically. Is that cool? Let's see. Daniel, you sing country music and play guitar. Nice. I have a guitar. Can't really play it very well. It's gonna take me out. Yep. A little too late with the entry. That's fine. At least I took it. I know it was a loss, but I'm taking it as a win. If you're new here, I can explain if you want. If you're not new here, you know why. First trade, I'm just quickly journaling. There we go. Okay. That can go away, that can go away. Done, done, done. Let's see how it goes now. On to the next trade. Oh my goodness. Daniel, why are you sad? Put a magnet at the bottom of your screen, Andrew. So, Andrew, do you know what's funny? What I have done, is it here? Was it only on Project X? Oh no, it was on Project X. We were having way too much fun the one day. I was a little bit of a problem the one day. I'm gonna have to... It's okay. I'll try find it again. The one day we were trying to hammer down the price and we weren't even getting magnets. It's fine. The market is really good at earnings this morning. Put a magnet at the bottom. I took that one. That's the right move. Maya, how is your friend and how are you today? You missing all the messages, your Danish muffin. Sorry, Muddy. I'm focused. I'm focused. And I am trying something. The bonk. Enter short, this is your second chance. Repost dog, how old do I look? So what I am doing, and I hope you guys don't take offense by this. I apologize if you do. Sweet and simply, if I see a trade, I'm actually ignoring the chat. Again, I hope you guys don't take offense by it. I'll look if I want thoughts, but otherwise... Yeah? Somebody's making fun of people with handicap. Daniel who? What? What happened? I feel like I missed something. User ZD5, DJ3, DJ8X, what did you ask? Where you at? Why can't I see you? Anyways, that's fine. You lost a profitable trade, unfortunately. It's fine. How dare you actually concentrate on your work? I know, it's disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will try to be better next time. Okay, I just gotta be better next time, Mikuwabe. I'll do my best. Seems like a double top move. Marie, you've asked like 7 times. What did you ask? How's my friend? Oh, she's okay. I thought it was a lot worse than it was. The problem with people saying, no, you're busy, I can't tell you what's wrong. Because my brain loves to go to the worst case possibility. Worst case possibility was that she had properly hurt herself. She had not, but it's fine. But she is admitted into the hospital, but she's okay. What's good? App did I use? Well, I'm on TradingView using TradeAbate using top 1 futures prop firm. I need to update my balance. 467.75. Oh, this has just been a red week, and that's okay. Things happen. I know that sounds like I'm just trying to make excuses, but it is true. Get. You know I would marry. I feel like I missed something. OTT, what's up? Hey, Debbie. Good morning. You look 30. I mean, close enough. Turning 28 this year, people. I'm basically 30. Oh well. Bit of a hesitation here. Oh. Let's see what happens. When break above blue line, you're in break even. So Dom, you're in a long again. Now there's something in the air this week. Solly? 100%. 120%. So yeah, basically down to midnight open, right? There's something wrong with Fib, nah. I agree, and it's fine. I had the correct idea. It is what it is. It just came to take me out before going, but at least I had the correct idea. And that's all that matters. Yeah, already got them marked out. Wait, where are my equal lows? Maybe I didn't mark them out. No, there we go. Well, I have mine at 5-4. Not 40. Yeah, I got mine here. Name's equal lows right there. Okay, lost a little bit of oomph, but that's okay. Ooh, created a nice little volume imbalance there. Let's see how it reacts here. This could now keep going down. There's a bit of a volume imbalance down here again. See how it respects it. So it did just respect the heck out of this fair value gap, and that's fine. Pretty and green, I'm down 1.5 this week. I think it's everyone. Hallelujah. Not okay, that sounded mean. What I mean is it's nice to know it's not just me. And I know there's some people that are having like the best month of their life. Well done. That's it, just well done. But yeah. So I agree, life is lifing this week. Trades are just not trading. Mindset is just it's been a wild ride. I'm quite excited that next week is... Wait a second. Wait a second. Next week is March. Where did...
Emotional damage.
Where did Feb go? Okay, next week is March. Let's do this thing, I guess. Just wait for another macro to form. You can enter, don't rush. Sloza? Am I saying that? I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's not just you. Oh, pretty and green. You can hang around. I appreciate that. Does it also make you feel better? Yes, that was English. Does it also make you feel better to know that, you know, there's a few people that are just not having a great month, and that's okay, right? Things happen. We just got to continue. Wait, Andrew said that Warren Buffett, the best stock trader of all time, is holding more cash than ever before. Just saying, maybe the best trader knows something's coming. Ooh. That's interesting. Idiot. It's not how it works. I use a GAN box and I set it and forget it. Sweet and simple. I don't overcomplicate it for myself. Well, I was 200 past my new eval, did a hesitated call and lost 1k. No, Carol, no! That's okay though, I hesitated with this one, that would have been a win. Then I did not hesitate with this one and it was a loss. Oh well, now we continue. It's a tariff issue Americans don't understand. Next week is spring here. When do we count? Huh, actually don't even know. When does it count as, autumn? Why was I struggling with that? When does it count as autumn here in South Africa? I've forgotten, I don't care enough. It feels like it just kind of goes summer, winter when it comes to South Africa. There's no in between. It's either cold or you're dying. Or it's cold or you're just sweating. You're pretty green. Thank you. I'm glad. Okay, wait, sorry. So Debbie, when debating about what a true edge is, I'm saying it's something repeatable and consistent. Jay says it's a true edge is something only you can do. What do you think? There is so many debates about what a good edge is. So this is a really good question. Oh, I was having a debate the other day because people asked me what my edge is and I kind of went silent. And then someone, thank heaven, someone was a lot braver than me. Was it Eddie? I think it was Eddie actually who said, what is it that people are actually asking when they ask what your edge is? And then someone said, you know, I thought your edge was just the strategy you use. Maybe your edge is what you have going for you. Like, I guess theoretically mine could be, I think I'm pretty patient. Not always, but in general, I'm pretty patient. So isn't that maybe considered your edge? Like maybe it's something special that you do. Maybe it's that you took a strategy and your edge is that you executed. Maybe, this is now a debate. This, you can see the brain cells going beep, 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 beep. Like, is your edge maybe that you are really good at reading price action and that's your edge? You can tell what's going to happen next. Boom, edge, done. Curiosity. Are we short biased for NQ? I was short biased. Well, to be fair, opened bullish bias Then this huge move happened here. I changed to bearish. As you can see, it now took me out, and maybe the bulls are back in play. But the fact that it's kind of jumping betwixt me and sideways. Yay! Anyways. It only has 2 seasons, someone wanted. Thank you, OTT. I'm glad you agree. Sorry. Okay. Just gonna say this. I apologize if I've missed any messages. Yeah, I'm really, really sorry if I missed anything. If you want me to answer, please send it again. Chat, female traders are very pretty. You agree? a.a.a, how you doing? Approximately from 5% a day after the earning report. I've been given the AI bubble pops, everything goes. Interesting. Everything, Andrew? Like everything? When it's hot, it's hold back. Cold, it doesn't hold back. Yep. Sweaty? So you're saying it's long now? Damn, what's up? How you doing? How's the truck? I thought edges were baby hairs women used to. Mo Banana, how you doing, bud? You are so weird. I love it. How you doing? Basically 3 months of fires. Hey David, how you doing? Nanu, hi. Good observation. So why is that happening? This is just probably retail traders will trap their lungs. How did I start getting into like trading live? Or are you saying trading live on the charts? Or no way? Yeah. Hey Ninja, what's up? How you doing? I mean, in all seriousness, it is just your strategy. Okay, that's what I thought. End of the day in bearish. They're just picking up trends, reading the news. Usually when everyone is bullish, the opposite happens. If you follow the big money, you see how they head for the future. Aw, Tyler, you're so sweet. Thank you. We don't want you to lose either. We've got this. We've got this. Muddy, I'm beyond exhausted. Why? What happened? It's my long lost brother, Mudgun. OTT? Yeah. Did that pull back at 50% for longs? Sorry? Eh? Strat and psychology. Okay, but then... Okay. Okay. With regards to the whole move that happened yesterday? Is that what you're asking? If we do again... So this was just yesterday, I was considering this. Check, it got close. But anyways. Irrelevant. Shush, hardy does. No one asked for your opinion. Let's do a GAN box of this full range. No, not at 50% yet. There we go. Next bob level is the 50% zone. What'd you draw from this range? Did that answer your question, Solly, or did I just make it worse? Just bought a new truck and hired a new driver. So far, so... Damn, Dallas, you're having a great old time. Oh, Gucci thinks she was out here sipping the nerd fuel. Oh, thank you. It's Wonder Woman. Because y'all wonder what the heck is wrong with me. Hey! Anyways. That was so bad. I'm so sorry. This was going sideways. It's fine. Oh, after my loss, are you saying did it retest back into here and go up? Probably. Yep. Yep. It did. Naturally. Nanu, where are you from? AI has essentially taken over the market, accounting for almost 30% of S&P. Against the allocation of S&P huge fund supposed to have 500 companies. Damn. AI is scary. AI is good, but it's scary. Hey Samuel, what's up? How we doing? Australian? Nice. What part of Australia? How do you guys know each other, Muddy and Nanu? I hit that like button. Why do you use ratchet wired instead of stream it to your headphones? We're watching you making all this money every day. No, you're not. I haven't made any money. What are you talking about, Banana? I'm on a funded now, yes, but I haven't taken any payouts yet. So, no. Robert, I can't believe you think I have money. What is wrong with you? I don't have money. Hey, John, from a different stream. Ah, got it. He stalked me here. Hey, Hammer, what's up? How you doing? We're from the same place. I moved. Then I'm good. Oh 0908M1K cool. Why not risk management? Explain, please. Eh? One broke trader. That's a buy right there. I've made more than 10k today alone. Nice, Tyler. Look at you go. Oh, why haven't I taken payouts? My man, I'm still new. What's that market? Hey, Drizzy, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? I'm still new. I haven't even been trading for a year yet. How long have you been trading for? Hammer, what side of Durban are you? Friends and Cliff. Oh, damn, you got fancy friends. Hammer, what the heck, man? Dallas, how did I do on New York session yesterday? I actually didn't take trades. Yesterday, mentally, I was in a really bad space. So I didn't take any trades, and that's fine. There were actually 2 trades I could have taken. Both of them would have been wins. Yes. And that's okay. That's okay. Nah. Not a good setup, unfortunately. Oh, well, moving on. I need a break. I've hardly sat down for 2 weeks. Go sit down, Muddy. Damn. I dropped a like. I'll see you around. You have a good stream. Cheers, Nanu. I'd like to push the account. Push profits for the next month. Cash out and then reinvest into a big boy 200k. God damn, Ninja. Okay. So how are you gonna push it? I do it most of the time, then just go to argue with people at work. Maya hasn't gotten a payout because she defies the rules of being a trader. What do you mean, OTT? How? Oh, there we go. Like, what trader hasn't full ported? I'm disappointed. One day I will OTT, and then you're gonna be like, what is wrong with you? Why did you do that? Hex, what is the market's trend today? Sideways right now. Not gonna lie. Started off looking bearish. No, I lied. Started off looking bullish, then the bears took over. Now it's kind of chip-chopping all the way around. You are one. You guys are so bad. Oh gosh. Hey, do I have a signal group? Not really. Andrew. Exactly. Thank you, bro. Oh, what stream do you know him from, Muddy? My dad used to if they do it for real, they're better than men. Bold statement, I would not say no. We've been focusing on lately. Taking stock in how I'm feeling before I trade. Yeah, it's hard, Dallas. I've been practicing this futures and wanted to say thanks for wishing you luck. Stay risk low until you are very confident. I'm getting much better now. Yay, Jason! I'm so proud! Which futures are you trading in though? Which future assets? Yes. Rick, this is my first ever funded account. I've got 80% profits, please. I want to get the account to 12k so that I can take an even 10k out then. Yeah, I hear that. Everybody knows Friday in trading is called Full Port Friday. Elite, I'm gonna start using that. It's Full Port Friday, people. Let's go. Oh, wait. Is Mikuwave here?
Okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Man, woman, we need a full port. Get it out your system. It's either you get addicted and never turn back or realize it's not the way. Maybe with the next OTT, how about this? With the next eval, if it's like the day before the monthly payment's gonna go off. Hopefully it's a Friday because now we have to do full port Friday because that's hilarious. We'll do it. We'll be like, let's go. If you don't get excited, close your eyes and press buy on. And if you know you're really a trader, I do agree with my emotional and that was really not. Thanks. Check. No, I'm kidding. Don't worry. Better. When I was still new, but I had an open position right before NFP. With no idea what I'm doing, all the danger. Bam, profit in 1 second. I was shocked. Oh no, Maya's turning into Big Daddy Mac. Who dat, Ninja? Who's that? Who's that? Uh, 046. What do you mean 046? Let's hit 046. Like, again, 046? I can mark it. There's 046. Oh, it's basically at that one level of mine. Huh. I'll never forget my first NFP full portal was life-changing. I'm broke trader. Oh, sorry. The charts. Well, I'm on Nasdaq futures. I forgot what I was trading for a second. I'm trading Nasdaq futures. What's up? Thought on Bitcoin futures, they feel so volatile. To be fair, I don't know too much about Bitcoin and what's happening. I'm not even gonna lie. So anyone here had a look at the Bitcoin futures? What are your thoughts? I hope chat knows we're joking and not DJ and Gablers. I don't think they know. Guys, we're joking. I will not full port. Big Daddy Max is a lit. Who is it? Who is it? Who's Big Daddy Max? I feel like I don't. Huh? What's happening? I never full ported a real account. Evals, yes, because it's not testing strategies. Evals are boring. Wow, check. Just the Nasdaq futures I'm watching with an app risk off learning and have improved lots. Oh, nice, Jason. I'm glad. Double bottom bull flag. It's also certified. Oh! Now I kind of want to go and check about. Balzac, how do you make money trading? Lots and lots of hard work, grind, patience, psychology. I don't think I've listed everything. Risk management. Yeah. Consistency. I think I've kind of went through everything there. Big Daddy Max, the org traders, right? No idea, OTT. You see him in Tanya Trades on the Tradify page. Oh, is that who that is? Ooh, thanks, Ninja. I don't know who he is. And Tanya Trades on the Tradify. Important poll question. Would you rather eat chocolate flavored dirt or dirt flavored chocolate? Chocolate flavored? No, wait, this is a tricky. I'm assuming people have been working. Or maybe working. I'm assuming people have been walking on the chocolate flavored dirt, right? How dare you, chocolate flavored dirt? This cocoa powder. I mean, that's valid. I think Bitcoin's the most stupid thing ever because it does not fix any problems. You really think this is what Bitcoin and dedication. Thank you, Dallas. It's mine, not Tanya. I'd be different. I'm gonna go with dirt flavored chocolate. OTT. I've eaten dirt enough. Ooh, Tyler, samesies. How have you eaten dirt? Mine happens when I fall off of horses. Hey, I'm just gonna call you Addy Data Analysis. What's up? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Decent rejection, but it keeps retesting that level. Oh my actual goodness, this is going sideways. Come on, you gave me so much hope to begin with. No, maybe hope is... No, maybe that's the problem. I had hope. Crush that down! There is no hope allowed here in the charts. Hey, Laserboy Toxic, what up? What's the time here? It is 10:49. Mud crab built your immune system, yeah. It's a simple answer. I like to fight. Can I get a gabagoo in the Andrew word? I punch people and get punched. That sounds what I... Dallas, one single account for now. Obviously, the goal is to eventually copy trade, but right now, only one single account. Hey, Mohammed, yeah, what's up? No, Kendall. Place me. I took a trade here. Did not work, but that's fine. Hey, what is my win rate using? Well, this month it's probably gone down quite a bit. It was like 65%. Let's put it closer to like 50% at this freaking point. But it was at, no, I say 65. It was at 64. It was at 64% win rate. It's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. You know, some question chat asks worries me. So check, what would you then say invest in? That might, people want to know about the crypto markets, they're in the wrong chat. No, there are some people here that trade and invest in crypto and thingy mablippies, right? Some. Not all, but some. Solly Hawker Theory mentioned swoosh. Short it till it goes short. Andrew, you know what? Those be words of wisdom right there. 100%. Words to live by. Oh my gosh! You know when this thing's bugging you? That's where we're at. What's your profit factor? You're saying like with the 1 to 2 hour, I risk 200, so gain around 400 per trade. Hammer. There we go. Yeah, so Dallas, that's the plan, right? Start with 1. As you improve, then you can progress. Any good resources to learn from? This channel? No, I'm kidding. Well, not really kidding. But yeah, if you guys want to learn, if you want to also join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. What am I doing? That's now stuck in my head. Whee! Give me a second. Hey, Scalper, what's up? How you doing? Again, guys, if I haven't responded to anyone's messages, I'm so sorry. Many apologies, many sorries. I'm up over 100% this month. Love, definitely dependent on good trades. Yeah, Tyler, if you're having a good month, awesome. If you're having a bad month, like me, I'm having a bad month. Pupukaka month for me, and that's fine. It happens. Hey, Trish. Do you pronounce it finance or finance? Do you trade options on a funded account? Andrew? Moving on. Is there a full guide to the strat anyway? No, not yet. I need to actually do one. Thank you for reminding me. I'll do that. I'm not going to the stables today, so I can make one. Scalping was, so I'm now officially on a funded account, but it feels like I'm getting closer and closer to blowing it. But that's okay. What's up? Were they scary people? Did you get them? Did you get them? Where's that good boy? Where's that good boy? Oh, goodness, you were so cute. Okay, now he's just gonna come and chill on my lap. Very good boy. Okay, okay. We have the best guard dog here. One has their own strategy. You need to find what they can understand what works for them. One strat, don't try add things. Right. He's so cute. He's all tuckered out from barking. I don't even know what he's barking at. Oh. Okay. Give me 2 seconds because this is still going sideways and it's actually getting a little bit. It's getting hot in here. So hot. So take off. Oh, I'm not going to take off all my clothes. But I do then have to put a short shirt on. Say hi to your partner in crime. Hi. Okay. So give me 2 seconds because then I need to open the doors for him as well. I had to close the doors so if anyone... Sorry, you know he was trying to nom the people who came to clean the pool. Look at this price action be sucky. Who thinks this is going to be good when I get back? Are we hoping for good price action when I get back? Yes. Yes. Yes, let's do this. Okay, and break. open the door. What's wrong? So the month, but this is trading. Anything can happen. I've never thought about that. 5 minutes to 4. Take a ride. You're making right every day. Okay. Sleepy time. Same morning. Good boy. Pardon me, I have to find my Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. See, so that's going ever so slowly up. Is this price action? Why? Just why? Help me step for— oh my goodness, what's happening? But it is bear flagging. Me like Pepsi. Oh, thank you. It's just the easiest. You guys can check my— at least it looks like a horseshoe, right? That's okay. I'm just gonna pretend it was a horseshoe. What are you doing? I wish I could show you what he was doing right now. He is literally resting his chin on the table, but I don't know what he's after. What do you want? Go slap that 0.20 and then you can head up. Level price might want to reach the former first. That's interesting. Wait, before I blind you guys. I mean, this— no! Ah, I nearly lost my glasses. I feel like a librarian when I do this, but anyway. Okay, well, he lay down, so it looks like I'm stuck this far away from my PC now. Anyways. I mean, on the 30-day chart, this is kind of bull flagging. It's 4. Okay, so this is the 30-day chart. Huh. Interesting. Is that a Bruno? What do you mean Miss Clumsy? My friends are just mean people. Oh well. Short sleep, I'm about to flex a break through this resistance. David, easy long, let's go. Interesting, you think so? Up a quick little short, then jumping along. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. I feel like Harry's hair is everywhere today. Ah! Okay, everyone, calm down. Okay. I'll be entering along at 024. Oh, so you moved your entry level? No, wait, 24 is further down. Okay, so kind of like between the new daily opening gap and the midnight. Interest. You should sell your own t-shirt, teach my merchandise. I mean, I've been kind of keen on it. It's an idea. Like a whoop whoop shirt. How cool will that be? A whoop whoop shirt. Okay, so open will sweep the log before going up. The secret is to aim for small base hit, not home runners. If you have a runner, great, but I blew so many counts trying to hit home runs every trade. So, is that a Pepsi shirt? Yeah, sorry, that's all I have right now. Am I from SA? I am, Jordan. What's up? How you doing? I am South African. How you doing? I need to get like a proudly South African tattoo just on my forehead. With my pretty face on. How's that? You're so sweet. That's cute. I like it. Thank you. Thank you. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to say Dallas. So we're all friends here. Can I ask you guys a question? Like I said, I really want to do something that I think is going to stir up a lot of drama. Okay. Because as much as Solly doesn't believe that I backtest, I actually do backtest, and I have come to a conclusion with some things that a lot of people, when I say a lot, I mean majority of people are going to disagree on. So I actually want to do a quote-unquote experiment one day. Maybe when I get my first payout, the first thing I do will be this experiment, right? And sweet and simply, it's going to piss off a lot of people. Assuming using 0. Yeah, basically. Good sell down, pretty in green. Taking in out trade for sell for now. My logo with that. Maya twist. Do I trade crypto? I don't trade crypto, sorry. Done selling profit secured. Nice, son. Curious, go on. Do it, whatever it is, drama sells true. I'm a scalper, so yes, order flow is important. Sweet and simply. No, I can tell you guys it makes no difference, but it is something that I want to do. I personally, and I'm gonna get hate for this, I personally believe smaller R's in the long run, with obviously a higher win rate, will make more money. Personally. I know that goes against a lot of what people say. I've done a lot of research on it. Anyways. So what I want to do one day is get 2 prop accounts. 1, trade normal R's, higher R's. Second one, smaller R's. And let's see which one passes first, basically. Boom, I did. I took this losing trade. Yay! It was a good setup. I hesitated with this good setup and it would have been a win. So I didn't do that again. So now we gotta... Yeah, but when I saw another good setup, I did not hesitate. I took it. So I'm glad I took it because I was having a little bit of analysis paralysis. No, yeah, maybe it was a little bit of analysis paralysis the last few days. Hey, Sir Duke. Damn, okay. How long have I been trading for? Not even a year yet. Minus 2% risk on the first phase, then reduce risk to 1% in the second phase, and proceed to fund trades apart from want to keep your phase for as long as possible. Check, bad idea. Let's see. That'll be a good test. See, it's a test check. My friend is one of the most successful traders in South Africa. He uses a negative RR. He has a 92% win rate last year. Jordan? Like I said, I've done a lot of back testing on it. They tend to work. But that's why I want to do an actual test so that, you know, there's evidence, right? Good idea with little swing trading. See? Boom wasn't even talking to me. He was asking. Oh, sorry, my bad. I think your current R's are too small, and I'm not talking about... You should try trade the South African 40 index. Ooh, Cadent, why? Is it good? You'll feel... No, check. Win rate is 69%. This one. Ooh, nice, guys. That's good. So Duke, I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Okay, buyers have come to the party. Broke above. Are we gonna have a slight retest to see what the 5 minute looks like? Oh, forgot to mark up the damn 4 minute. Oh my gosh. 4 hour like a chop. Okie dokie. Technically should have wanted to have come and taken out the cells. Oh well. Let's see what happens. Sorry, my nose is so freaking itchy. This is driving me insane. Could be a fake out. Let's see, what does this look like on the 5 minute? Struggling to break above the new weekly opening gap. I need a strong close above. Let's get some strong closure, people. It's not quite what I meant. Into the 4 AM. Taking some internal liquidity there. See what happens here. Is not small ones, high win rate. As long as you have an identity system you want to implement, that's all that matters. True. Jordan, are you from South Africa? Different strokes for different folks. I know Zero Comfort, and then I remembered that I where I live now, there's literally no decent tattoo artists. That sounds like an excuse, but you know, I love my tattoos and I'm not about to get a really bad, cheap one. And where I live now, there is literally, I've been doing my research. All of the good tattoo artists have moved up to Joburg. But to use all guys, you mean not. Hey Vala, what's up? In your trading, we only keep track of the points. One. Wait a little bit, the trend is happening soon. You'll see. Okay, Ting, let's see. The money is irrelevant. Hey Jordan, nice. What part of SA are you from? And Joel. Joel, you're also from South Africa. What? So many South Africans here. I love it. What area are you guys from? Ooh, nice, Dallas. That's really good. Also valid with this price action recently. Oh well. And a good opportunity. Good luck with the trading. Oh, thanks, Caden. Appreciate it. You can get some. Oh, I see. There's lots of debates. Joel, I'm also South African, but I'm KZN side currently. Mike Tura in Belito isn't a bad tattoo artist. Ooh, Craig? Okay, I must go then have a look-see. Left! I'm so cute. There we go. Oh no, Solly, really? I'm so sorry. Thank heavens all of my tattoo... Well, there was one tattoo artist that convinced me to change my tattoo idea. It's still a nice tattoo, but it's not what I wanted. It is what it is though, you know. To be fair, he was heavy-handed. It was my back piece. Oh my gosh, when I say heavy-handed, my back was like dripping with blood. It was actually, yeah, I would not recommend. I will never go back there. Sweet and simply. The tattoo itself doesn't look bad, but sure, I was in actual pain. In Jan, I blew 3 prop accounts. No, what happened, Dallas? Jordan, you're in Cape Town. Nice, Northwest Brits. Oh, I love it. I'm tattooless. Low-key judging you. Junior, your Durban side, that is awesome. Sorry, let me just check here. Just making sure this has nothing to do with my friend. Okay. I'll send you. Thank you, Craig. Appreciate you. On the northern suburbs. Check. I would never touch a woman that has a tattoo. My whole back. Wait, I don't think you guys can see. Oh, you can kind of see my whole back is actually covered. Held action sometimes. Will break 5M. Seriously! Please make it make sense. All the trades that I've been looking at that are B setups have been working out recently. All the B setup trades have been working out. This was a B setup. This literally had a fair value gap. I don't even know if I can count the shelf, but that's what I'm saying. It was like a B setup. Beautiful. Stunning. On point. Rara, Fatima, hoe komt er hier te doen? Yo, bliksem. Okay. Cool. Like I said, I have so many tattoos. Kara says it doesn't bother me. I just saved my money when I was young. I spent another. I think especially for me, all of my tattoos have a meaning. So I thoroughly love my tattoos. They are all reminders of a lot of random things. But all of it means a lot. Like my whole back literally is about all the horses that have passed. There we go, cool. Kara has 9 tats. That's baby stuff, Kara. Be better. Boss down, a little bit of a volume bounce there though. Okay, well at least we're breaking above. Oh, this is so frustrating. No, frustrating is the wrong word. It's okay, there's gonna be more opportunities. It's never a missed trade. There's always another trade down the road. Okay, moving on. Dizzy chord. So, out of curiosity, so yesterday I actually posted on it on Discord. Yesterday, how big was he? He was, no, you can't really see. He was a solid, a meter, maybe meter and a half long snake at the stables. He was very cute. I did actually post it on Discord. I wasn't. Do you know what scared me? Seeing him was fun. I was like, cool, little snake, adorable. That's awesome. The thing that scared me is that I took a video. I put my phone in my pocket, and when I looked back, he was gone. If I didn't have videographic evidence that he was there, I would have questioned if I'd actually seen him. That scares me more. Cause how did he poof within literally 2 seconds? That scared me because I was like, no, it's fine if I can see you. I know where you are. I know where to avoid you. I know that I won't get in your way. Problem solved. If I don't know where you are, that's terrifying. So anytime a low volume node or what you call fair value gap becomes accepted or flow, it'll push easy for base hits, but gotta confirm. Uh-oh. Okay, David, that's okay. Jordan, I hear you. Oh, cool. The army spent like 12k on this back, yeah. Hey, Mike, what's up? Jordan's like a straight case. It is not for me, Jordan. Yeah, we gotta get on Discord and have a party sometime. Mike, I agree. I still think we have to get on Discord and play Cards Against Humanity because we are all unhinged, so. It'll be very entertaining. Okay, we've officially broken above. New weekly. Yeah, the NWOG. Officially. Let's see, next level up. Let's zoom out quickly. Let's check 5 minute. So tapped into there. Sugar honey iced tea. Took out these relative equal highs. So it might retest further down. Doesn't even have that there. For it to go above 25100. Oh, that was my point of interest actually earlier. So to see it climb above 25100 would actually be quite nice. Is it gonna get there though? I can't believe it did that to me, you little... Bruh. Okay. We're gonna close above. Still 2 minutes to go to see if it's gonna close above. If this is above, this actually might be quite solid. Like I said, I did take out the 2 relative highs. What does this look like on the 15? Okay, relative equal highs. Let's go. It would be nice to see it take out the 100 though. Let's see. Let's go back. Took out the relative equal highs. What actually might be better is if it goes below here to that volume imbalance. Am I overthinking this? I might be overthinking this. Problem. Don't overthink it. Stop overthinking. Right? That's something I need to work on. Stop overthinking so much. Okay, that's a solid one. 1, 2. What did I miss? It was bar with the girl who get a matching tattoo. I was like, man. Jordan, I'm looking for buy. Hey, Robocop, it's fine. I took a trade. It is what it is. Yes, Devin, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. David who? Overbought chart. Not really, Pretty and Green. I wouldn't quite call it overbought. Just the fact that it just took out equal highs is not ideal. Hey, Digital Technology, what's up? Hayden, back. What's up? Welcome back. I know, Jordan. I've been... Believe me, I know. I didn't even take a trade yesterday. Struggling to break above slightly. Oh, this is starting to look better. This is starting to look better. Sugar honey, I see. There's that 251. No! 25100 was my point of interest. Shoot, man. I'm from South Africa. What's up? I missed my entry because I wanted to make coffee. No, I'm so sorry. To be fair. Bro, what the heck was that? What just happened? Where's Rip? It went against the probability. What just happened? Did some news come out? It's 421. It's 420. Sorry. Okay then. Okay. Kimlo, I'm terrified of snakes. Depending on your position size, that's an expensive cup of coffee. Ninja, patience phase. Patient is for your winning strategy, so you have patient, not a winning strategy. It makes it red there. Mud crab is whoop 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 whoop! Good thing you didn't take that trade. Smoker confirm. No, I'm actually not. I know it sounds like it. I unfortunately have a lot of smoker friends, but I actually don't. It makes me tired. It does nothing to me. It just makes me go to bed. Oh, digital technology going on 1. Oh my gosh. 11 months. Nearly 11 months of trading. Market hunting your imaginary stop loss. Yeah, it just knew. It went, okay. What? That's a rig all your friends get. That's wow. Now you're trading cap. Digital technology. Well, I'm on a funded account. I'm on. Well, my balance is at 49467. Seriously, guys, what happened? Does it just take out that point of interest and then drop it like it's hot, basically? Feels like that is exactly what happened. It went. Got it. Bye. See you later. Oh, itchy nose. Happy days made up for slightly red week last week. I'm having a red week, and that's okay. It happens. Last week was a break-even week. Like I said, Feb has just not really been my week, but it is what it is. Bearish suspension block on daily. Trial ICT had marked out for weeks. Oh, no, oh, she's okay. I feel like I need to rephrase this. She's an acquaintance. Nah, no, she's my friend. Friends can be annoying sometimes. Just have to insult if I'm happy. No, thanks, Muddy. Caden, take a bye. Bye, you. Both kept nicely yesterday with decent. Looks like a possible little wave. Whee! Sorry, I don't know why I did that. Remember, there's a major tension between the US and Iran at the moment. Any live feed news can cause a whipsaw effect or a huge volume push. Trade safe. That's actually true. You know what I wanted to do? My head is not that small. Solly, don't even. Digital technology, can I learn about trading from you? I mean, you can learn about trading just from this community in general. Am I the best trader out there? No. But I like to believe that I'm one of the more honest ones. You guys can say, no, you're not if you want to. You can be honest, but it's a very open and honest journey. If you want to see what it's like, this is it. I thought this would be cute. I don't think it's going to fit over my big head. I say I have a big head. I have quite a small head. Like, I wear children's helmets because I have such a small head. Oh, it's not gonna work. No! I thought it would be cute.
That's what she said.
It's not working. It did not work. Shoot. Maybe it could. If I do this. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, stop it. Sorry, I can't do much with regards to on the charts right now, so messing around. Ooh, price action wise, those are pretty decent wicks, but it's struggling to break up again. bit of a support level. Let's see if it goes back into that fair value gap. So did it tap into the 50% of that? It did. I remember being grumpy about that. It did. Okay. You're very honest. Just a beginner, but fun to listen to. Oh, thank you, Jake. I appreciate that. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. I'm gonna somehow manage to... Nope, didn't work. Okay, guys. Are we ready? we've got this sorted, so
Okay, let's go.
Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Let's carry on. Let's see if this does pull back. It's not an A+ setup though. Is it? No. No, not an A+ setup. Don't even have a fair value gap for the setup. Well, I do there. Oh, you can't see what I'm pointing. Pointing at the screen like you guys can see what I'm pointing at. Oh gosh. Okay, go on, Muddy. Are you gonna send me an email? Go on, send me an email. Do it. Do it. Okay. That should be better now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Totally works even when it's not working. Anyways, very transparent is what made me stand. It helps that she actually fun to him. You are from India, you want to learn trading. Can you teach me? I can teach you basics. That's about it. No. Prices reacting for major 4-hour key level resistance. If touchdown zeros and small profit with stop loss below. Safe path, you are hot. Am I? Oh, I am a little bit, you're right. Oh, damn, I need to go get that checked out. Thanks, Safe path. Anyways, which email? teachmayatrading@gmail.com. It is in my bio. Show feet and toes, please. Hell no, moving on. Been a heckless couple weeks, that's all, but I want to try and help you well if I can. Oh, thanks, Muddy. Go on. Teach us the basics. Okay. Explain the graph to us, noob. Oh, okay, you're putting me on the spot here. Do you see these thingies? Okay, these thingies are called candles. The big full area of the candle is the body of the candle, and the little itty bitty bit is called the wick. Now you get a bunch of different candles, and the different candles can mean different things. One of, well, for me, a very important candle that forms, well, what would you call it? A part of the candle that can form is the fair value gap. It forms when there's an imbalance in the market, and the market loves to be balanced, so it's quite a good point of interest for it to come back into. So I could keep going on, and obviously one-on-one's a little bit better. You don't put me under this much pressure. Good grief. I am not good under... Well, no, that's a lie. I'm okay under pressure. That's okay, Muddy. Cheers, we're drinking champagne here in a 5-star hotel. Chad, what's up? Where am I trading from? I'm from South Africa. How you doing? How you doing? Please say you guys know that reference. I've never been a fan of social media, so that's why I don't have any of these apps. I'm pretty old school when it comes to that type of thing, and have views that basically don't like social media. See, when a daddy candle and a mommy candle love each other very much. They make a bunch of wicks. Angry Bob? That...
Nice.
That was good. That was solid. I thoroughly enjoyed that. That was awesome. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. That was a decent explanation. I don't feel totally clueless now. You are welcome, I got you. So 50-point winner, I guess. Nice, in that explanation. I've always been confused with why I use fair value gaps and confluence. So Ninja, it rebalances to that spot and then tends to reject off of it. So that's why it's a nice point for an entry. Like this one, I don't like it for an entry because of the fact that you can see it tapped into the fair value gap and now it's kind of rejecting off of it again. So the fair value gap kind of reacts as an entry point because it tends to test the 50%, but it also respects the 50%. Not always, obviously, but it tends to respect the 50% of a fair value gap, and you'll see it tends to, especially the bodies of the candle, tend to want to close beneath the 50% of the fair value gap. Like this one. 50% of this fair value gap. Well, to be fair, that's not really the fair value. There we go. Technically, that's the fair value gap there. You can see it tapped into 50%, rejected, tapped into the 50%, then it went up solidly. It tends to respect the 50% of the fair value gap and reject off of it. So a good point for the fair value gaps is entry and then rejection off of it. Does that make sense? Ninja? Kind of. So that's why ideally it's fair value gap for it to retest into and then order block above it because it tends to either retest into order block as well, but it rejects pretty solidly off of those two things. So that's why it's a confluence. Does that make sense? Where it says balance, that's how much money you earned. Oh, no, so RX, HR is Rex first? Sorry. Sun, no, I took one trade earlier, but that's it. See, like here, this fair value gap here, rejected off the 50% and it's going down. So I said I didn't like this one. There's no fair value gaps, there's no nothing for the entry to go up high enough. Money earned. Oh no, so RXR, so I'm now on a funded account. So you get prop firms, and prop firms have an evaluation and then a funded account. So I passed my evaluation account, so you have to reach $3,000 to pass. So I reached that, and now funded account, you start with $50,000, and you have a cushion of $2,000, so you can lose $2,000. But ideally, I want to try and reach $3,000 again in order to get a payout. So I'm actually a little bit in the red. I've actually lost a little bit, but that's okay. Hey, DeMonte, long time no see. Where you been? Digital technology. How old am I? How old do I look? See? Like this. Like I said, unfortunately, they didn't. Again, the 50% of this fair value gap. Can you see how the bodies did not close above it? So it wicked above it. That's fine. Wicks are fine. But you can see it clearly respected it because it then just crashed below. Ninja, I hope that kind of made sense. That's okay, Ninja. Okay, sure, Maddie. Called algorithmic. Why am I struggling with that word? Algorithmic precision. You enter trade with all your capital. No. No. I only risk $200 per trade. Okie dokie. Now see here, let's see how it rejects off of there, if it's going to reject off of there, or else this. Bit of a point there, a little bit of point here. What does this look like on the 5 minute? It's not bad on the 5 minute. Nope, go back. That song's now stuck in my head. Microwave, it's all your fault. See it break a little bit above into this fair value. Why can't you just come and tag me in on trades that I actually like? That would actually be so nice. You little booger. Further down, I want to see it take out that low. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna go that high up. Nope. You little honey biscuit. I don't know why it's a honey biscuit, but it's a honey biscuit. No, honey biscuit sounds like a compliment. You're not being a honey biscuit. You're being raisins where you expect chocolate chips. That's what you're being right now. Yeah, I went there. Raisins instead of chocolate chips, that's bad. Ah! Seriously? I'm trying not to chase, but you're making it really hard. Back to the new daily opening gap. Here we go. With a consistently rule-based prop firm. I am, Jordan, yeah. 25%. I'm with top 1 futures. Come on, B. They got nobody checking on them. See, but now I just took out everything. Wait, but it could now go back down to the new weekly opening gap. Hasn't hit that 20 area yet. This could be it. 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 Try not to rush it. Try not to rush it, but that's a good spot. This is a good spot. Okay, don't be too rushed. Don't be too rushed. It's a bit choppy. Still solid if it doesn't respect these levels. Hasn't taken out that low. It did take out a bunch of those. Not really respecting that, but I do have 1, 2. It's going to respect that. Say that again, doesn't it? My curve? No, I don't think so. Also, son, I like that. Professional trades do not ask how much they want to earn, ask how much you're willing to lose today. Ninja on timeout. Why? What did Ninja do? So the only problem is it's kind of... Oh, it didn't really take out those. About that there. Hasn't quite tapped into that volume imbalance on ES just yet. Retested on ES, but not high enough. Back down into there. Yeah, let's see. I really hope this is the retest on New York low. Jerry? Let's see, I don't know if this is gonna come get me. But all this, we got the new daily opening gap right here. Midnight open, it's been respecting the heck out of midnight open recently. Okay. Didn't come to get me. It ran away without me. How rude. Well, now took out that low. See, guys, I had the right idea. I was just way too early. Tapped into that volume imbalance. Let's see how it respects it, or if it respects it. Back down to VWAP seems like a really good point of interest. Hey Kevin, what's up? Dreams called, am I a profitable trader? I haven't taken a payout yet, but well, okay, this week I have not been doing great, but in general, I would say I'm getting there. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. You think this is manipulation, Jordan? Clearly I don't have work today. I checked the 5 minute. The 5 minute looks pretty damn solid with regards to that. Did tap into this imbalance, which is what I'm kind of watching out for. Like I said, it took out those relative equal highs. It's created more equal highs, relative equal highs, literally to the freaking point. Okay. Equal highs. How does that look? Ew, it's not that great anymore. I mean, it's not bad. Still got a shelf going, still got that going, still got that going. Daily opening gap. If it starts to come back, I don't think it will, though. I think this is gonna go down. That's fine. This breaks this. Let's see how it reacts off of the new daily opening gap. Have I been calling it the... Oh, I guess here's the new weekly opening gap right here. But here's the new daily opening gap, midnight right below, and VWAP. Wow, this is pulling down solidly. Oh, if it had retested higher, it would have been such a banger trade. Oh well. Yep. No retest for me. Shoot. Also didn't retest high enough, even if I had taken that. Bruh. Yeah. Ran away without me. Aw, Lost Hope, thank you. I appreciate that. Show me that cinder block. Damn. 5M is still more day trader entry time frame. Not much to frame anything valid. I think that is distribution currently. Oh, you think the manipulation was the push up to the buy side? Got it, got it, got it. That makes sense. Into the new daily opening gap. How big is this? At least, you know what, you can't say I haven't been setting trades today. I missed the first one. I did miss the first one, and naturally that one would have been a win. But I have at least been setting the trades and taking them today. I think this is running away. If it still goes back up there, it's still pretty solid for his soul. Hasn't tapped into that just yet. Objection, we have this that it has to take out on VWAP. Ugh. It'll be good there. Might be pushing it. Oh, wait. We'll go back down further into this Fair Valley gap. Interesting. Sorry, I know I'm like right in front of the screen. Can you visualize and hold it squeezing? I've got a controversial statement to make. Who's keen? Okay, Ninja, I'm listening because I'm curious. 420. Sorry. Such a child today. Oh gosh. Big reversal coming after VWAP, potentially. What? Oh. Final running order for my show. Let's see. Yep. Cool. If this goes back down to tap into midnight and VWAP, then I'll close this. Let's see. The big short cause hunting big buyer. I'm drunk now. It's Friday! Nice, son. You sound like you're having fun. Okay. Which pays? I'm trading Nasdaq futures Rosbert. Bait me. Eve was the first version of smart money, and market makers are all female because they're born to manipulate the masses. Microwave, what's up? How you doing? Microwave is in the house. Okay, price action. A little bit stuck. Hey, give me 2 seconds. Emotional damage. Thanks. Good idea. 2 seconds. Okie dokie. Perry is just chilling on the bed because it's raining outside. He's so spoiled. But I do love him. Okay. Rosbert, I'm currently using top 1 futures, by the way. How you doing? It's for fantasy. Hey, D-Grid, yeah. Unfortunately, I had the correct idea, just wrong moment of execution. Why does it feel like buyers are back in play? Wait. Cancel for the new daily opening gap. Huge one over here. Still hasn't taken out this. 5 minute, this kind of looks like an M formation. They're gonna respect the new weekly opening gap again. See how it reacts here. Create a little bit of an imbalance there. Still have this fair value gap. Block and shelves. Okay. Let's see. I'm a rainy in Durban. Nice. Perry's a G. No, he's living his best life. It would be great. I'm working security in township at the moment and it's cooking. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, that sucks. Got a reversal zone? I might be careful, probably going out. What makes it a reversal zone? Dumb. Like I said, once it touches midnight and VWAP, then I'll close. Sellers are still taking part in this fight though. Nice, Mikawave. So what I'm hearing is you can start to read the future and you're just gonna start giving me like tips. Yeah, cool. We're gonna start calling this the microwave signal. The microwave signal. Oh gosh. Shout out to my wife. Anyways. If sellers can get it down to VWAP. I'm the Oracle of Futures. Mikawave, I love that. See how it works here. My microwave goes and then tells the future. Yeah, no pressure, Mikuave. You have to tell us what's gonna happen now. Mikuave, what's next? Is it gonna be bull or bear? Though I feel like people need to stop being more specific because you know how many people, and I always find this so funny because they're not wrong, but they're not right either. They go, it's going to be bullish, so it goes like a little bit bullish and then dumps down, and they're like, ah, but I wasn't wrong, it was bullish. I was like, for like 2 minutes. So I guess you weren't wrong, but it depends on your strategy. Has my horse ever been bitten by a snake? No, thank heavens. I've heard of horses being bitten by snakes, but no, luckily not. Glanced at my stop in profit nap time Asian, and it was good to me. Think we need to see big reversal start an hour before New York open. Nice, J-Ray. Okay, see. Whoop whoop, J-Ray. Well done. BT dubs. Yes, I'm saying BT dubs today. We're going with it. J-Ray, well done. You get a massive whoop whoop. Okay, guys, you heard it here first. Mikuwabe says... Not you, chick. I'm not talking about you. It's speaking Japanese. I think it's gonna be bull from now on for the next hour or two, and then chop, and then sell in the New York Open again. Interesting. Have you ever checked your strategy on the DAX German 40? So I can't actually trade the DAX. It's delayed for me. Check. Yeah, so I can't trade the DAX. You can see here. It is delayed. ES, it works quite nicely, not gonna lie. Struggle. Bounce. Sorry, I'm talking to myself again. So what can you trade that? No, not just that small list. I can trade more. But I haven't really looked into trading anything else, Hammer, to be fair. Damn, Jordan! At the end of the day, we can try to predict anything in the market, but the only guarantee that the market gives you is that you will lose trades. It's like saying the only guarantee in life is death. That's dark as heck. Not wrong, but it's dark to think about. My name is Jinto from India. First time in your live. This is my 8th year in forex trading. Nice! And how's it going, Jinto? So could very well want to go sweep the bears before it creeps back down a bit. As New York love to instance. We're coming into a selling season. I think the next 2 months we're going to sell. Last month was bought at top of the sell last year in. DAX is my favorite. Why is that, Hammer? And taxes. I feel like taxes shouldn't be a thing, but yeah. Unfortunately, death and taxes. Dom, touch VWAP and up. Yep, it's like I said, Dom, when this touches VWAP, I'm closing. I was hoping it would retest before it went and touched VWAP though. Which looks like it's not going to happen. So we should come to terms that you'll lose. No, that's bad, Jordan. But okay, wait. Jordan. Are you profitable out of curiosity? I'm with that for the day trading. Info is useless. Death, beer, and taxes. Oh, my bad. I forgot the beer, guys. I forgot beer. Adult juice is necessary. It's clean. Moves are much more clean and the spread is super small and pays well. Interesting, Hammer. No, I have ES open on the side here. I must say ES tends to respect levels better than NQ does. Not always, but in general. Do I do Bitcoin? No, sorry. Each month I make around 7k to 8k dollar profit in gold. Hey, whoop, whoop, Jinto, that's amazing. Well done. I cut the long, don't like the action. Jordan, I am from South Africa. Oh, sorry, that wasn't you, Jordan. That's Coach Berry RSA. Coach Berry, what's up? I am from South Africa. How are you doing? No, you little sugar honey iced tea. Why didn't you just wick up a little bit further to get me in? Correct idea, just didn't come and get me. That is so frustrating. This is like the 3rd time it's been the correct idea, just didn't come get me. Can't say I'm not placing trades today though, so you know, self 5. At least we're doing something correct. Okay, let's see. Did it tap into... It has not tapped into this fair value gap yet. I would like to see it tap into that, and then potentially we're going to start going up. Let's see, people. Yes, I am been trading 5 years now. Nice, Jordan. Okay, and how long did it take you to become profitable? If you don't mind me asking. Sorry, I tend to ask a lot of questions because I'm genuinely curious about everyone's journey. Well, I'm having a compatibility national consumption tax. Interesting. Oh, Maya, do the best. Thanks. Thinking I was correct. Thank you, Pretty and Green. I appreciate that. Correct thinking, it just didn't come and get me. Out of curiosity. Okay, I'm gonna do this out of curiosity. It may have been a stop, though. Oh. Oh, the pain if that had happened. That would have wicked me out. See, this is why we follow that 50% rule. Just didn't come up to get me. Oh, damn. Okay, well, into the Fair Valley Gap now. Let's see how it reacts here. Is it going to tap into this? Or are we going to go all the way down? That was such a nice rejection for this bob level. The only problem is now it's tapped into my point of interest. It did indeed tap into my point of interest. So I just need to be hands off until we get confirmation that's going to continue back down to possibly these equal lows, Asia low area. Possibly. Relative equal lows. Let's be more precise. I want to see it break properly below on ES. So take out the 50% there, so that's cool. Now we can move that there. Awesome sauce. Like I said, let's check that. Okay, bye-bye. Seriously, bye-bye. 5 minutes is going to be a nice order block there. Yep. Okay, next point of interest, 991.7. Okay, it's going there. Calm down, NQ. What the heck, man? Take a chill pill. Okay, well that point of interest is gone bye-bye. Seriously? Wow. Just wow. Cool. Hey Christian, what's up? How you doing? Jordan, 3.5 years. Nice. When I text you good morning tomorrow, what number should I text? 911. Oh, thanks, Jordan. Jordan, what strategy do you use, out of curiosity? What's your go-to? What's your simple strat? When you're ready. Maddie? What? Check the 4 hour. If you can't explain your strategy to your mother, you've overcomplicated it. Well, Hammer, I can explain this. So, NQ is naughty these days.
That's what she said.
Oh gosh. Hey, what do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos. It took out that now. Do you think this is overextended? In all honesty, this would actually be the better. A little more of a gap into this and back down. Down to the equal lows. Protection, protection. Cool. Let's see if this is too large for me to take. Hopefully not, because this has 5 freaking confluences. That would be awesome. So gonna get there though. Beep. Okay, let's make it 5. Okay. Like I said, this has 5 confluences. Hey, where was it that I specifically said it's making the M formation? Where did I say M formation? Was it on the 5 minute? Was it on the 5 minute? I think it was on the 5 minute. It was on the 5. Nope. Yep, maybe. It was the 5. 1, 2, 3. And then I was hoping it was going to retest further into the 5 before dropping back down, which it did not, which was rude. Anyways, let's see. I'd say support and resistance, key levels, reading candlestick behavior at these levels, and then trading candlestick anatomy. How do you enter, Jordan? Do you mark it in? Oh, sorry, Hammer. Sorry. Which was Kardashian. 931. I think you said sorry. Hey, man, what's up? Muddy, what you asking? Sorry, I missed the question. Mike M, what's up? Let's see, maybe this comes to get me out, but like I said, I have solid confluences, quote unquote, protecting this setup. If it doesn't work, I won't even be upset. Well, okay, I'll be upset that it didn't work, but what I mean by that is that I took it, it was literally, this has 5 confluences. If this is not an A+ setup, I don't know what. And the point is that I took it, A+, and I've stopped overthinking it like a chop. What am I on right now? Oh, Muddy, you wanted to see the 4 hour, right? Lost mate. 4 hour. Looks like so. These equal highs on the 4 hour are redonkulous. At that 25100 level, 25100 is solid. It might want to come break this during New York session, actually. Hey, Mihobo, what's up? I have 5 entry types, 4 trend based and 1 is counter trend. That's interesting. Do I trade New York station too? I do, Mel Billing. Cool, what's up? How you doing? Long coming to London High. Am I live every day? John, I am indeed live every day. If only. Highs and London highs, everyone's saying it's long, it's long. That does not look very long right now. Just saying, it's a pity it didn't come and get me. Again, correct idea, just didn't come up high enough. Shoot, man. Would have been such a quick TP as well. Equal lows and Asia low are definitely in play here. Okay. Watch this now. Let's see if it's created an SMT over here. Could have created an SMT. No, not really. See what we've just taken. Oh, it didn't take out those lows on ES yet. Let's see if we continue back down. Sorry, I'm being very sassy with everyone and the I told you so's. I apologize about that. But it's valid. Stop loss would be lower than your strategy. Nasdaq 100 creates bearish or bullish fair value gap. Sharp big numbers, profits. Oh no! No! Seriously? What the mood? Okay, don't try and rush it now, but equal lows, Asia low, this could be wanting to trick people though because it's so close. Did it take out? It did take out. That did tap into this bit of a fair value gap. Fair value gap theoretically should be mitigated. Let's see how it responds here. It's gonna go all the way up. How's it look on the 5-minute? Expecting that shelf. Good and quick in the direction. I have 1, 2. The only problem is that over there. 3. Let's see. Like to see it. Try not to rush into it. Just speaking what's going on in my mind right now. The equal lows and Asia lows are so juicy, but did it tap into anything extra importance here? Like I said, it took that out. Did we tap into this doji? Not yet. We did not tap into that order block. Aha! See, I waited. I knew there was going to be some huge reaction happening soon. Out of curiosity. Shoot, was that it? Is that the solid tag? Let's see. I don't understand her lines and what she's based it on. Check if you don't... Okay, sorry. Check, this might sound rude. I'm saying this respectfully. If you don't understand a strategy, ask questions first and understand it before saying that it doesn't work. Remember, no such thing as a mistrade, just a trade you didn't take. Feeling like you missed a trade can cause you to chase a trade. There'll always be another trade. You got this. Thanks. Thanks, Jordan. We're taking Asia low, maybe even previous day low. Me try long. Go on, Solly. Went and kissed midnight up. Pretty and green? Eh? No, it did not. Midnight opens here. Are we talking about a different midnight open? There we go. Pixel Tail in the chat. What's up? Oh, sorry, European time. There we go. I was like, what? Wait, what? Pretty and green? What time frames do you use? I am Rigo. Rigo? What's up? If that candle closes below the fair value gap, I would go short. Specifically the 50% of the... Actually, that's valid. Let me quickly check here. Oh, no, this did not respect the 50% of this fair value gap. This might be headed a little bit higher. Check there. Tapped into this order block pretty solidly. I'm not scared about the trading. I just think Maya stinks. Thanks, Mikuawe. How did you know? Can you smell me? Hey, Focus, what's up? I'll still look for sure. But she stinks nice. Wow. Shopping now in New York will be interesting again. Loki, you think so? Awesome, bro. The minute one is so much noise. I know, but annoyingly enough, I like the noise. Stop the voices. I'm joking. I'm partly joking.
That's what she said.
You know me since when is women on the verge of a nervous breakdown by songs looking nice, holding till previous day high. Christian, really? Hey, Mike the goat! Look who we got. It's Mike the goat, guys. Use SMT. I've become more aware of at identifying SMTs, but I'm not great at them yet. I've been trying to learn them slowly. Oh, hey Franklin, what's up? How you doing? No, I feel like she smells like Cheetos, dust, and bum sweat. That's why top one reject. What? Oh, Microwave. Oh, Microwave. People don't know that you're being serious. They're gonna think that I was actually I was not rejected, people. Microwave is just full of rubbish. New York will sweep a lot and reverse most likely. Sorry, inverse value gap entry. My grab you. Short from 029. Okay, short from 029 to 935. Ooh, sugar honey iced tea. No, what did I do? There we go. Okay, that's pretty decent, Tony. That's not bad. Right down into this order block. Okie dokie. Let's see, I think this is at a little bit of a deciding point here. Let's just be real. This feels like a bit of a deciding point right over here. Emu, best platform? TradingView? Is that what you're asking? Are you asking what the best platform is, or? This thing is now getting itchy. It does kind of look like a horseshoe. I'll just tell people it's a horseshoe. For context, I made an AI email for her saying she got rejected in the email because she's in fact smelly. For trading, I mean, you know, there's a few different runs, right? So I'm using TradingView currently, and I use the prop firm Top One Futures, but I am also affiliated with Tradeify. Guys, Tradeify's discount ends tomorrow. Just by the way, 30% off of everything. Discount ends tomorrow. So if you guys are keen on getting a Tradeify discount, you can use my code TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Tradeify 30% discount ending tomorrow. Okay, get it in while the discount's still hot. Violin no longer unfortunately having that 89% discount, but they are having a new 75% discount on Violin. Again, you can use my code TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Top One, I'm actually not 100% sure what discounts they have going on currently, but I know there's actually always discounts. There's always discounts going on, which is awesome. It's just you wanted to obviously try and get in while it's hot. Which instrument do I trade? I trade the Nasdaq futures. KZA. Sorry. You just popped on, you're like, why is she screaming? It's just his name is a.k.a. KZA. That looks like a great liquidity sweep. Arm flaps. Heck yeah. Bingo wings, Solly. That's where you can enjoy your free time because we do our best in the last 5 days. Oh, look, good. I'm flat for 80% off. Wow. How long do you stream daily? Hey Chad, so I stream the London session for what, 2 to 3 hours depending on the day, and then I stream New York session for around 2 hours. Is she? Yeah. So what's that? 5 hours? 5 hours of streaming a day? I'm ill, so I think I'm just gonna be rude to people all day to get over it. You know, if it helps you feel better. No, money, not anymore. It was just because the discount had ended. It's teach my all caps, no gaps. Bingo wings, who told you that? It's like a thing. Have you not heard of bingo wings? What? Mike, safe? What's safe? Want to see if it retests into here. Let's look like on the 5 minute. Huge rejection off of there. Daily opening gap in midnight. Thanks, Mike. Mike the goat. That's now stuck in my head. Appreciate ya. We are in this damn support area. Solidly. Okay. We test back up to the equalizer. It's actually quite decent. Let's wait for confirmation. Let's not rush and jump into anything. Guys, there were 3 trades. 4, 3, 4, 3. 3 trades, all of them. Right idea. The one I didn't place, the other 2 didn't come and tag me, and that is so frustrating. But at least I know I had the correct idea. Oh well. Shucksy doodles. On to the next. Again, tapped into that supply zone. Lock here. 953 is also pretty solid here. These equal highs look pretty damn juicy. Okay. Let's check 15-minute quickly. I thought bingo wingo was just an English thing. I'm English. Mikuwave. Hey, components, what's up? Ready? Hi. What's your strategy on sideways markets? Sit on my hands. That is the strategy. Sit. Marius, what's up? No, I don't understand at all. Oh no, why? Might just roll up to relative equal highs, but it'll consolidate for a little, I think. Most likely it's going to be chopped from here on out. Might as well go for it. Mikuwabe, I'm not even going to the horses today, but I might have to help sort out my friend in the hospital. Anyways, let's see. New York Open, I think, might be a bull run for sweeps. Interesting. Sweep and then slow. I can check sweet and simply. It's a GAN box. And with the GAN box, it's again market auction theory. 50% is the entry criteria because buy in, discount, no, yes, buy in, discount, sell in, premium. And then I make sure I have 3 confluences protecting my stop loss. Anything less than 3 is a B setup, and then it's not worth it. That being said, the B setups have been nailing it recently, which is very frustrating. Lance, really? That sucks, though. Pretty and green, yeah. It took out... I mean, how do I put this? It's quite overextended for London. This was quite a hectic drop for London session. I kind of jumped from 15 to 1. Let's check the 5 quick sticks. Okay, back into VWAP. Let's see. I think here's going to be the deciding factor. Is it going to continue down? Is it going to start pushing back up? This is it. It's the final brain cell. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. What did Tolly say? Respect market, do not think too much. Hotspot. Oil is sick, that's why the car's running. Wow. Tony, get ready for my levels. Okay. Yeah, oil's running great today. I mean, my will to live is not running great today, but here we. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's a lie. That's my dark humor coming into play. I'm sorry. Dan the man, what's up? How you doing, bud? And Brennan and Faisal. That's a cool name. Let's order me a fry up and something. Send it to me using UVs. Much appreciated. London open. Hey, real Jedi ZA, what's up? I guess, Lance. Right? Theoretically, the whole point is to just be genuine. Guys, just... There's a saying that I used to always say to... Well, I still say it to my one friend. It's just be less sugar honey iced tea. Because I want your dark humor, give it to me. No, you do not. A London open high and Asia high, like 1 point apart. Yes, real Jedi. I've marked them out. Check. It's these equal highs. They are insane. That is some insanity right there. I bagged 40 points. Nice! A micro humble start of the day for me here. You kinda crazy. Damn, only kinda? Oh, guys, I need to up my game. If I'm only kinda crazy, I need to be better. I'm kidding. What's up? How you doing? How you doing, Mr. Chaos? I mean, if your name is Mr. Chaos, then this should be pretty good for you. Who's in an open trade right now? Mikuava, where's your girlfriend at? Can't she go get you things? Not really? No? Breaking through there, breaking through there. Okie dokie. Wow, it's not really respecting this new daily opening gap that much, is it? Like, it's not even pretending to. Tapped into VWAP on ES, breaking above. VWAP on... Oh my gosh, ES and NQ look samesies. That's why we sit on our hands. Tony, where's your stop loss at? Hey, Cash, that's awesome. How are you finding it? Have a swing trade still open, but that's all. She's at work today. She had the last 2 days off. Ah, what the heck? Hey, or teal? I feel like a butcher. That's what's up. I'm a little off sometimes there. That's valid. Not even gonna say I'm a little off. I'm just... Take that. Take it as you will. See what this does here. Jumped down a little bit too quickly. Oh, damn. She's having a good old time, Mikuwabe. Pick up. Okay, let's put it together. Aw. For now, everything going above my head. Oh, for now, don't worry, Cash. It gets easier. It gets easier. You only trade main roll? Yes, for now, I only trade futures. Yep. Yep. Yeah, check, no one was accusing. But if you feel that, then go for it. No, it doesn't. Stop fine. Done good to trade now. For the longs. Oh my gosh, wait, can I just say, Mikuwave, you would absolutely hate the video I just posted, well, I posted earlier on Discord under my real life. You will hate it with a passion. I can almost guarantee that. There was a goodie, was A+, so A+s are back in the game. Especially with this happening right now. Let's see if we get continuation. Me. That's me. But options, stay disciplined, nothing you can't do, nothing can. Aw, thanks, main roll. You're so sweet. Sully's just here and he's just like, how can I cause
emotional damage?
Yeah, she lived in my house for like a year now. How long did it take me to learn? Ah, Cash, I haven't even been trading for a year yet. Do I know everything? No. But I'm still learning every day. Every day I'm still learning something new. It's a lot. There's a lot of information out there. Can you share your learning journey? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing, Cash. You're also more than welcome to join the Discord if you want. No ways, Mikuwave. I can't even believe that. Why? Horses are awesome. I can't believe you like snakes. Meh. Horse. No. Make it make sense. See what happens here. Hey Justin, what's up? How you doing? You having a rough week? I am, Justin. I'm not even going to deny that. This week in general, it's not even because it's a funded account. I think just this week in general has been a bit rough for me, not gonna lie, but it is what it is. How's it been going for you, Justin? African Entertainment Hub, what's up? What? CR2, huh? What? Is this real balance or not? Yeah, real balance. This is my funded. So it is a little bit in drawdown. You start with 50. So it is, unfortunately, in drawdown. That's okay though. I had so many awesome setups, it just didn't tag me in for today. Well, I had one loss today, that's a lie. I had one loss today. The others that I was so keen on didn't work out. Orteal, what strategy do I trade? I use market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Mikuwave, one day. Don't ask me why, but you've now, in my mind, I've gone challenge accepted. I will get you to touch a horse. That sounds weird. You know what I mean. It's okay, just not looking good. 4? My balance, is that what you're saying? How much percent drawdown is allowed? I can go down to 48,300 if I'm not mistaken, because I went up to 5,300. So around 48,300. So I still have like 1,000. So I'm only like, I guess I'm like halfway through drawdown. That doesn't sound very good, does it? And if we're falling back, we come back even higher. Ooh, I like that. Horses have killed more people in Australia than any other animals. David, where you been lurking? Also, I need proof of that, by the way. Oh, touch its face. It's stable, but I will not go near its back. So, Mikawave, do you know what that just reminded me of? You know Sherlock Holmes, the movie with Robert Downey Jr.? And he's also scared of horses, and he's like, I don't like horses. They're dangerous on both ends and crafty in the middle. That is exactly what that just reminded me of, and that is my favorite quote when it comes to horses, because they are. They can bite you from the one end, they can kick you from the other, and in the middle when you're riding them, they can do weird and wonderful things. But that is the vibe you're giving me right now. They are dangerous on both ends and crafty in the middle. No, we have microwaves. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That is so funny. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was amazing. Oh, are you sure, Muddy? Does it not work like similar to an eval? As it goes, it kind of goes together? Lonely Star World Pop. Also, can I just say, Lance, okay, let's go back to this comment. Lance, okay. Yes, we call microwaves, but there is a very funny, I don't even think, maybe it was a Vine, I can't even remember, or a TikTok video where this woman is talking about things and then she goes, and now we put it back into the microwave, and everyone judged her and laughed at her, and now that is just what I call microwaves. I call them microwaves because I just thought it was so funny. So, yeah. It's microwave. Which one, Monte? It didn't come tag me in. All the ones I had set didn't come and tag me in. The other one I had... Let's see if this goes back down now. Let's see. Looking like it would have come to take me out. Where did I have this? I had it set there. Hey. Yeah, it would have taken me out. Really? Okay, Debbie, to be fair, I can understand it. I'm still saving you. That's okay, lads. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Should I take my last $500 and trade with you? In the last 20 years, they've killed 220 people, mostly due from falls. Yeah, no, that's understandable. People in South Africa, how many people in South... There's been a few people just in South Africa in general that have died from falls because of horses. But, you know, it's kind of self-inflicted. It happens. It's the same... I'm pretty sure you believe... Oh, okay, then I'm not even 50% through my drawdown. That's not bad then. The people who ride them are weak and feeble. Solly? Hey Maya, sorry to ask this, but do you mind turning down the volume for your sound effects? Sure, which one in particular, Nkululu? Oh, I butchered that, Nkululu. Is there anyone in particular that's too loud? I will happily turn it down for you, don't worry. Roll over short or regain back up. Pretty and green? This could just be chopping here until New York. Let's see, this could be This is at quite a weird deciding point. Kind of jumped off of the new weekly opening gap. I feel like it's a bit of a deciding point. This could either start popping up off or popping down. I don't know why I'm saying popping, but we're going with popping. Horses are trying to act nice, but they are evil. Guys, my horse is so funny that he knows how to tell me where he's itchy. So he'll point with his nose and I know to scratch him there. He's cute. See, it's self-inflicted because you're dumb enough. Get on a horse's back like if people ride horses, you might as well ride a hippo. It's probably the same thing. I mean, do you know what a fear of hippos is called? Out of curiosity, do you know what a fear of hippos is called? Friday is high day, careful with shorting. Like, okay. The guys with the guy in the coffin, I got you. No problem, clearly. Boop, 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 boop. I'm gonna do it again. Lulu, tell me if it's better. Is it too soft now? Is that fine? It's funny you saying to a show jumper, yeah. What is the fear of hippos? I'm now. I think I forgot the name. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Let me see. Let me forward this. Sorry, it's the. Here we go. That's that for tomorrow. Oh, fear of hippos. Fear of hippos is. Oh, I was gonna tell you guys a fun story. No, fear of hippos name, you chopstick. No, that's rubbish. No, wait, I lied. I lied. Yeah, what's his name? Where did I get this from? I feel like I'm lying to you guys now. I'm so sorry. There we go. Okay, no, I lied. I'm sorry. I mixed it around. The fear of horses. The fear of horses is called... I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Can you just make a random buy order for fun? Like, just mark it in? I mean, I could. You know what a fear of hippos is called? Got you. Okay, sorry. Let's try that again. I apologize. It's not the fear of hippos. The fear of horses is called hippophobia. Because apparently the Greek word hippos is horse. I mixed it around. My bad. Apologies. Not bad. My mom says I have a fear of hard work. That's why I sit and trade. Tell her to sit down and trade and she'll understand that this is hard work. This is not easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is difficult, lemon difficult. Hey Alex, what's up? You mentioned yesterday February hasn't been a very good month. What's your hit rate so far this month over how many trades taken? Robinson, I would have to actually go back and check. I took a loss today. I took 2 losses. Oh gosh. This week in general has been bad. How many losses have I had this week? 2. I think I've had 4 losses this week and 1 win. Yeah, I think I've had 4 losses and 1 win this week. That's bad. That's bad. Ugh, I'm so still. That sucks. Hey, Kaden, what's up? Welcome back. Make a rabbit. Yeah, I think that's exactly what it means. What am I? 6 years ago, the mathematician says you should be gone. Trading is adrenaline. That's why I'm here. Pretty and green. Pretty and green. Where are you from, by the way? Also, the funny story I wanted to tell you was how, because Solly called horse riders weak. Blah, 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 blah. I've literally had a horse fall on top of me and all I had was a few bruises. Don't even come at me with that. I mean, I literally had my 800 kilogram horse jump on my foot. When was it? Not yesterday or the day before. And my foot is fine. I went for a run the other day and I'm fine. It's a little bit bruised, but that's it. So don't even clearly we're not weak. Okay. It's the paper cut effect. Once you get funded and trade defensively, I had the same issue. Interesting. Lance, how long did it take you to overcome it? I'm from California but live in Spain. Ah, I'm in Spain without the S as well. I'm kidding. I'm partly kidding. Because I think I'm funny. I might not be funny, but I think I'm funny. Okay, it took out all those lows on ES though. Shoot. Looks like a buy. See the cost point. I'm sometimes surprised by the genius. Good grief. It's been just range face for hard markets, Feb. Robinson. Yeah, it's difficult, hey? But you know what? It's okay. We're all going through this together. Feb is not okay. That being said, I know some people are having an amazing Feb. So again, shout out to anyone that's actually having a banger of a month. Well done. Respect, because that's all I'm gonna say. For those of you that have not been having a good month, you are not alone. Yeah, you are not alone. I'm not having a good month, and that's okay. That's okay. On to the next, right? Always another trade. First, I'm new to trade. Literally started this week. Just saw a lot of people speaking about Nasdaq over S&P. Also, interesting accent. Sounds South African. I am. Trish, what's up? How you doing? What am I getting at? You saw a lot of people speak about Nasdaq. Yeah, so I'm trading the Nasdaq. So NQ. Well, to be specific, I'm trading the micros. So I'm not risking as much per trade. It just helps save capital, especially while you are learning. So ES is the S&P 500, and these kind of work together. So that's why we tend to refer to these together. DAX also works with these, right? No? Yes. Correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm not mistaken, DAX is pretty on par with these two. Do 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 do. Ooh. Do 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 do. Do I do it? Do I not do it? Do I do it? Do I not do it? It's right by these two rent to be equal. Doesn't there's a bottom imbalance over there, and there's a nice fair value gap that wants to tap into because it needs to indicate that. Do 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 do. Does not actually give a sugar honey iced tea about this new daily opening gap, if we're being honest, but that's not great from that. Good tap into there. Cheers, Maddie. Gonna short this, go cheers. ICT don't recommend any indicator. Well, I'm not really using an indicator, am I? I feel like this might push higher than I wanted to push, but ugh, if it hadn't have just taken out those equal lows on ES, I'd be a lot more keen for the short. Hey, Jordy, what's up? Okay, it is an A+. I said I'm not gonna be overthinking too much when it comes to this now, so let's do it. It is A+. I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, don't worry, Jordy, don't worry. I was curious. Because I saw it and I thought of it and I was like, I used the coffee indicator, put trade on. Cheers, Maddie, by the way, sorry, I haven't been super chatty and responsive. Apologies. Laters, bros. Am I a bro now? Okay. Bye, bro. And all only indicator I would use to mark all the session. Asia, London, New York. March, 2 time zones, change again, think hour early. Interesting. Maddie, sorry. I'm ignoring you. Cash, can you please share the logic? Sure thing, chicken wing. Sorry. That wasn't rude. Sweet and simply, I use a GAN box. I draw from top of the range to bottom of the range. If I have 3 or more confluences, it's an A+ setup. We're good to go. There was more sell side liquidity. There we go. Yep. Cool. Like I said, all the trades I have taken today are working out. They're just not coming to retest that 50% damn. Anyway, so with this one in particular, I'm grumpy now. With this one in particular, I need 3 or more confluences, right? I had VWAP for it to bounce off of. This fair value gap that I wanted to see it come and retest before going down. Hence why that would have actually been a nice entry point. I had a shelf. I don't really want to count this new daily opening gap because it's not working out so well. I had the midnight open. And there was a 5th one, I guess. Take maybe, did I add? No, I didn't. Even on the higher time frame, this was an order block. Yeah. Oh well, it's fine. No, sorry, Maddie, go sleep. Aw, that's okay. Maddie, like I said, just pop me an email. We can chat. Isabella, what's up? Mudcrab deserves a holiday. He does. What platform am I trading with? Well, I'm using prop firms and I'm trading using Tradeovate on TradingView. I'm currently funded with Top 1 futures, but if you want Tradeovate and TradingView, also you can use Tradeify. I mean, they're currently having a 30% off everything until tomorrow. Okay. The deal ends tomorrow. So if anyone's keen on Tradeify, if you guys want to go, the discount ends tomorrow, the 28th. 30% off of everything. You can use my code TEACHMAYA. All caps, no gaps. Don't you dare, Solly. Love you, Maddie. Bye. Take care. Run this. Good. Isabella, I said hi back. Mr. Trades up. Yeah. This time with gaps, you define yourself or some indicator do it. Yeah, I define myself with the fair. Are you talking about like the fair value gaps and things? No, I see them for myself. Do you know how to identify a fair value gap? Cash? Can't even say my line. What? No, you can't, Sully. Boom. Bothered. Deal with it. Oh snap! Look at that. Retested the 50% of the full range. Tapped into the new the new WOG. The new WOG. Good grief. Use candles as your indicator, especially high time frame candles. Yay, thanks, Muddy. Hey, thank you, component. Mic drop. I can just picture you doing that. Muddy. Which part? Cash? Which part are you asking how to identify? Are you talking about the range, maybe? You're talking about, I have a GAN box? Are you asking about the GAN box? Potentially? Yeah? Yep. Tapped into a volume imbalance there. Come on. There's equal lows and edge low right there. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I don't know why I did that with a bit of a southern accent, but we're going with it. Was that a southern accent? I'm actually really bad with accents, so you guys are gonna have to be like, yes, that was southern, or what? What was that? You weirdo. Do 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 do. Volume balance, fair value gap, 3. Great limit order. I'm trying not to be too rushed with this, but that being said, not enough of a rejection. Really? What is it? What does it mean? Why? What does it mean? You guys can't just say don't say that and not tell me what it means. Yo, I was buying. Just sorry, Jackie. Is this the one trade I hesitated with, and it's gonna be the one trade that works out? Solly, did you take this trade? If Solly took this trade, I'm gonna be grumpy. I haven't taken it yet, Zaki, just saying. Because it's not really respecting that level. You might be correct. It literally jumped solidly out of a volume imbalance on ES. See if it tags me in or not. I did hesitate, so maybe not. With my luck, it probably won't. Or it is, and then it's going to go all the way back up. But that's just me being a negative Nancy. Well, I'm in. Let's see now, Jackie. I swear it does this on purpose. It's gonna go straight to stop loss. Nice, Jackie, nice. Yeah, careful, far left. She's a busy girl. Yeah, I didn't really respect it. I needed to respect this pretty decently. Come on, come on. I'm ignoring a lot of people today. I apologize. Yep, straight into that. Seriously? Well, Jackie? Microwave, what does it mean? Oh, the supply there. Ah, there we go. That's okay, Jackie. Don't stress. Bruh. Jackie, did it hit your TP? Shoot. I know what I did. Shoot. I know what I did. Oh, if I was a revenge trader, I would... Why? Devontae, what happened? Good move, go by, go. Eh. Let's see. Stop it, you're fine. Enter the pivot gap and SMT at the supply there. So on ES, I really liked the bounce off of the volume imbalance. Let's see. Oh, if I was a revenge trader, I may have taken this again, but it's fine. Well, I have one more loss for the day, and then that's it. Unstoppable. Oh, what? Really? Mikuafe, I just saw that now. I'm so sorry. Jackie, market auction theory. Someone asked for the dog. Here is the dog. TCast Live, yes. I am South African. What's up? If this just top ticks me and goes down again. Oh, the rage. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, Brandon, what's up? Nothing just from on Twitch as well. I'm just reading Twitch chat. No? TCast Live? No, I'm not. Believe me, I'm not. Dog poetry. I've already given it. Do you know how many treats he's gotten? He has gotten all the treats. But I just want to study that shit. Oh, got it. Just skip over everyone. Oh, bye. Muddy's out. She's 38. Oh my god. Real quick hi and bye. What's up, bud? How you doing? Okie dokie. Hey, trader in process. What's up? Alex? Commands? What about the commands? You want to know the commands? Huh. Alex, are you good? What's up? How you doing? Getting the algorithm to this thing. Happy to be here. Aw, it's Brandon. Welcome. Yeah. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, I'm gonna. Where's he at? Anyways, oh, watch I come back. Watch I come back. That's English. Watch me come back just now, and this is indeed a win. That's gonna be fun, but it's okay. Just top wicked. I know where I went wrong with this. I did also add it to the journal. I used the incorrect damn spot trying to low-key catch falling knife, and that's fine. On to the next. New York session is next. So let's do this. New York. Let's do New York session. We can do New York session. Hey Zany, what pairs this? This is the Nasdaq futures. There's not comfortable short here, but yeah, it does seem like no bounce. Reset, refresh. Exactly, Solly. I'll be back for the New York session. Let's do this. What's your take on the whole AI trading side of things? Seems sketchy. Yeah, of course. Of course this is now going down. Anyways, like I said, I'm going to call it off. I could probably spend the whole day here, which is... okay. So I used the wrong range. Mistakes were made. It's okay. Moving on. It's okay. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully I will see you guys there. Mad love. Okay. Mad love. See you for New York. You guys are the bestest. Bye.